beginner's game, have you? Then you better upgrade to the Bones and Crones Mega Monster Deluxe game version, or your life will be a living nightmare.
Must have blown a fuse or something.
Or something.
Hey, Miss Meany still has her lights on.
Let's go down there. Splinter, that old witch really is a witch.
Just goes to show you never really know who your neighbors are.
I bet she blew out our lights with some kind of spell.
Yeah, in fact, she could be casting a spell over us right now.
What does the Bones and Crones game book say about witches?
It says you gotta capture a witch to break her evil spells. Come on! As soon as she opens the door, we run.
That's my favorite part.
What are you little yard monsters up to? If I wanted a hammock in my tree, I'd get one myself. And what's that? Littering my yard, are you?
No, we were playing a game.
And there was a big gust of wind.
The book flew out the window.
And we had to come get it back.
You like games, do ya? Well, I happen to know lots of games. Quit your caterwauling. We're gonna play Guess What's for Dinner? See if you can figure out what the main ingredient is. I've been wanting to have you two for dinner for a long time. So, did you guess what the main ingredient is, huh? Did ya?
She's gonna eat us.
No, she's gonna cook us, then eat us.
Don't you even think about leaving. It's all stormy outside.
We were,
Just gonna wash up for dinner.
Good idea. I like a nice, clean dinner. Bathrooms that way. Jumpy little tykes.
we gotta get out of here.
Now that if we don't stop her now, she'll just get us later. Grab the hose out there.
Oh, kids! I'm getting hungry!
We are totally stewed, chewed, and barbecued.
Could you not mention barbecues?
I'll go keep her occupied.
Whoa! There you are. Where's your brother? It's not dinner without him.
He's, just washing up.
Good. Cleanliness is next to tastiness. I always say. Hey! We're playing my game first! Oh, woodpecker!
She's got awesome powers, man.
This could be our last chance. And we got surprise on our side.
Come on, you two. I'm dying for dinner. Hey, what the? What? Soup's on! Now, where did you little monkeys go?
We gotta kill Uncle Woody.
One last guess what's for dinner?
Run or we're cooked.
Yeah!
Where you going? Get back here! Oh, stupid game. Took me me 6 hours to put this thing together, and it's just too darn scary for them to play. Now who am I gonna get to help eat my vegetable stew?
We almost didn't make it.
We gotta tell someone. Wally!
You're the last ingredient I need for my woodpecker stew.
He's got Uncle Woody.
We gotta stop him! You dropped him, mister!
We've had all the weirdness we're gonna take around here.
Hey, kids, what's up?
Uncle Woody? But we thought Wally was making woodpecker stew.
One bowl of stew for the woodpecker. So, do you think it's good enough to win the neighborhood stew cook-off tomorrow, woodpecker?
Yours is definitely up there, Wally. Come on, kids. Let's go taste Meany's stew.
Oh, no. We're not going over there, Uncle Woody.
Have it your way. That just means more stew for me.
Know what I think, Splinter? That if we keep being such scaredy cats, we'll miss out on one of Uncle Woody's best ideas yet.